Hey guys, this is Eric RPG again. When we last left off, I got through level 2, defeated the Medusa mini-boss and went down a river, and jumped over the spikes in the river. And now I'm in a cavern, so let's continue. Mudmen, huh? They split apart. I played this game so many times. I remember the first play I'm playing this on the Wii Virtual Console. I am playing an emulator version, but because the emulation on the Super Nintendo is just kind of crap. I don't want that. Actually, I do want that. If you go further, there's nothing. Secret area. I know, I just picked up the axe and but I'll be switching weapons throughout the entire area here. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention you can crawl. Hold on a minute, I gotta take care of something. Alright, problem taken care of. Just a little annoying thing on my computer which I don't have time to deal with right now. Gotta watch out for those stalactites. Yeah, if you're too close to them, you'll still get hurt by them. Just don't. There you go. And in this area, you want to be careful at the beginning. It's very easy to get yourself killed, too. Yeah, because the bridge falls apart. See, that's another reason. Low ceiling. So you gotta time your jumps carefully. I know, I got plenty of hearts. Yeah. Well, now that hurdle's taken care of. Yeah, you don't want to pick that up. It's a nice somber music. Yeah, I probably didn't want to pick that up, but that's okay. Let's start from here. Actually, that might actually be of some use. Now this part gets slightly interesting. Soundtrack changes. Alright, I forgot about that. Gotta watch out for the falling platforms. Yeah, I've already lost a lot of health. Make your way through. Just, I don't even care if I die here, to be honest. Isn't there a piece of meat around here? Oh boy. Aha! This is a tricky jump here. Screw you. That's actually pretty helpful. Oh, I could have used that. Just running right across there. Boss fight time. Now this could be annoying. Especially with the amount of health I have. One of them breathes fire and the other one does that. I'm just gonna stay back from a distance. There we go. Easy victory. Stage 4. This is one of the more interesting levels of the game, if you ask me. That would be a good time to save my state. Ah, there we go. I think the name of this track is called a spinning tail. Triple. Don't mind if I do. Gotta watch out for those things in the walls. Yeah, the skeletons take more than one hit now that they're armored. I'm not even gonna bother with that because well, they sometimes take more than one hit. Watch as the skeletons follow you. It's nice attention to detail. And this part's hard to avoid. I'm dying a lot, so I'm gonna take care of it. You gotta jump really quickly. Watch out for the skeletons. You'd think there'd be something in here, but not really. Or you could kill yourself. That's kind of a tricky jump too. Sorry about that, my phone went off. First mini boss. No really easy way to avoid taking a lot of damage there. Just now this is an interesting part. It's also kind of annoying too. The room starts rotating. Now I have to deal with Medusas. There we go. Keep waiting until it's ready to extend, and then we can move on. In this section, we should probably just keep moving. Don't go too ahead of yourself, though. Yeah, it's a little slow in here. So you can tell there's limitations to the Super Nintendo hardware. This is also an interesting one. Now there's a way to bypass this really long section. Although I probably want the health pack. So, I'm going to take it. Nah, let's take our chances. I got an idea. Oh, that's not gonna work this time, huh? Alright. This boss is one of the more annoying bosses in the game. Yeah, those things can crush you. Right before he can kill me. Oh yeah, if those fall and hit you and you are low on health, the game will kill you. It's really a bitch like that. But that's level 4, guys. Stage 5. I think I'm gonna quit it here. See you guys next time. See you later.